Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Current Affairs podcast channel. Today we are going to discussing some of very important MCQs on science and technology. So, if you see the first question, which of the following statements about the James Webb Space Telescope is correct? So, this telescope is designated to observe the universe in the infrared spectrum. This telescope was launched by the European Space Agency. Third statement, this telescope is positioned at the Lagrange point 2 of the Earth-Sun system. Fourth one, this is a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. Which of the following statements are correct? So if you see that one, so first statement is correct. So it uses infrared spectrum to observe the universe. So next statement is wrong because it is launched by NASA, not by ESA. So third statement is it is correct. It is situated in Lagrange point 2. So what is the usefulness in that position is 24/7 we can observe the universe without any interruption or light from the sun. As Aditya L1, so Aditya satellite is located in Lagrange point 1 where 24/7 we can observe the sun. Similarly, in this position we can observe the universe without any sunlight at this L2 point. So next one is this is a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. Yes. So this is a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. So now consider the next question. Which of the following statements about genetic engineering is correct? First one, genetic engineering involves modifying the genetic material of an organism. Second statement, CRISPR-Cas9 is a tool used in genetic engineering for precise gene editing. Third one, genetic engineering can be used to create genetically modified organisms. Fourth one, genetic engineering has no application in medicine. So which of the following statements are correct? First statement gives its definition. So genetic engineering involves modifying the genetic material of an organism. Second statement is correct because CRISPR-Cas9 is a technique in which we can precisely edit the genes. So for finding this one, that scientist got Nobel Prize. So genetic engineering can be used to create genetically modified organisms. This is also true. So we can produce genetically modified seeds. They can resist pests. They can grow at arid regions also. They give more yield. So these all are possible by genetically modifying that organisms. So next, genetic engineering has no application in medicine. It's wrong. For vaccines, we use genetic engineering. In mRNA vaccines, we use genetic, and also for genetically disorders in any persons, any people. So we use in genetical engineering, we change them. So next one is, which of the following statements about the Internet of Things is correct? So IoT, Internet of Things, refers to the network of physical devices connected to the Internet. IoT devices can collect and exchange the data. IoT is limited to consumer electronics and smart home devices. IoT can be used in industrial applications for monitoring and automation. So now Internet of Things. In Internet of Things, what will happen? So bunch of devices, physical devices, interact with each other. So first statement is correct. So network of physical devices connected to the Internet. So they interact with each other. So IoT devices can collect and exchange the data. It is true statement. So for example, smart doors, when we come, so they are automatically open. Smart lights and ACs, so all are connected. So some sensors are there. Every device is interlinked. So and by that they are interacting with each other and provide services to us. Is it only limited to consumer electronics and home devices? No. Even they are more helpful in industries. So IoT can be used in industrial applications. This is true statement. So which of the following statements are correct? 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Third one is wrong. Because those are not only for consumer electronics, they can use in industrial applications also. Which of the following statements about blockchain technology is correct? So first of all, what is blockchain technology? It is an encryption. So it is one of the encryption technique in which no person, even the designer, can find their addresses. So this is fully encrypted. Without any key, we cannot find them. So that is the advantage of blockchain technology. So this blockchain technology is a decentralized ledger technology through. So it is decentralized. No person have control on it. So each block in a blockchain contains a cryptographic hash of previous block. Yes, it is those are interlinked. And blockchain technology is primarily used for cryptocurrency transactions. So not for transactions, even cryptocurrencies works on blockchain technology itself, but primarily it is not primarily for cryptocurrencies. So they have lot of advantages. And fourth one is blockchain can be used to create smart contracts. So this one also correct. But so which of the following statements are correct? 1, 2, and 4 statements are correct. Here primary use is not cryptocurrency. There are more usefulness of blockchain. Even messaging, everything can do with the blockchain technology. So next question. Which of the following statements about artificial intelligence is correct? AI can be used to analyze large data sets and identify patterns. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves training algorithms on data. Third one, AI systems can only perform tasks that they have been explicitly programmed to do. Natural language processing is a field of AI focused on the interaction between computers and human language. So which of the following statements are correct? AI can be used to analyze large data sets and identify patterns. So how we train AIs are, so we give large data sets. We have lot of data. So all that is fed up to that AI technology, AI systems. By that they understand which reply need which response. So which question requires which reply. So all are trained to that AI. So machine learning is a subset of AI. That is true. It involves training of algorithms on data. So it is true statement. Next, AI systems can only perform tasks that they have been explicitly programmed to do. No, they can think like humans, but with the help of given data sets, they can think like that. So it is not just input and output technology. It's not just if you give this input, give that output. Not like that. So they think differently, and they give answers differently. So natural language processing is a field of AI focused on the interaction between the computers and human language. This is true statement. So human language is different from machine language. So this natural language processing helps understanding of human language to the computers. So it is one of the subset of AI. Which of the following statements about artificial intelligence is correct? So we already discussed this statement, this question. So next one is, which of the following statements about nuclear energy is correct? First one, nuclear fission involves splitting heavy atomic nuclei to release energy. Nuclear fusion involves combining light atomic nuclei to release energy. India's first nuclear power plant was established at Tarapur. Fourth one, plutonium-239 is a fissile material used in nuclear reactors. So which of the following statements are correct? Nuclear fission involves splitting of heavy atomic nuclei to release energy. This is true. In atomic bombs, you use nuclear fission technique. Nuclear fusion involves combining light atomic nuclei to release the energy. This is also true. In sun, this procedure takes place. So in sun, helium and hydrogen combine. Those are light atomic nuclei. In case of heavy atomic nucleus, that means those are uranium and plutonium, like that. So India's first nuclear power plant was established at Tarapur, Maharashtra. This is also true. So plutonium-239 is a fissile material like